All right, so it's been a while. Today we're doing some work on the Supra suspension. So this is what it's like right now. Not sure if you can tell, but it's quite bouncy. Everything's pretty worn out. Fitment isn't too great either. Fronts is especially bad. So we've got new KYB shocks for all four corners, and then below that we have some H&R race springs. They're also lowering springs, so it'll give us 1.6 inches of lowering in the front and 1.3 in the rear. The lower strut bolt, this strange washer on here lets it lock in place, so you only need to get onto that one down there. You don't even have to do the swipe or anything. It's just long bolt, top hat, lower one. She comes out. Let's remove this weird top hat that covers the TEMS actuator first, then undo these, then these three up here on the shock side top area. Just right now is cleaning up the top hat of the other one, since we need to reuse the top hats. But this is what the new setup's gonna look like. So Joseph and I got the old one out. Time for the new one to go in. Had to take the fender liner out to get this ridiculously long bolt out. But there it is. No more electronic suspension adjustment. All right, and that's side one done. Passenger side has been completed. That long bolt is a bit of a pain, but she's in there. Bump stop, nice and sturdy. Look at the engine bay looks like now without that big old top hat in there. Pretty nice. All right, so both driver side and passenger side are in. Wheel arches are back in. Wheel is about to go back on, and then we'll drop it on the ground and see how the ride height looks. And then I'll get to the backs probably tomorrow though, because it's a little dark. So that'll be a morning issue to do the rears. But we'll check the ride height tonight for sure. Check the ride height. Oh, I need blocks. Look at that.
Fronts is especially bad.
It's so low I can't get the jack out. I need to put it on wood. The jack is stuck. That's insane.
Tomorrow.
So Joseph and I got the rears done. This is the ride height that we're looking at right now, unsettled. I just threw it in. It's a bit more gap than the front is, but it's so much better. Joseph, bounce the rear. Let's see if it flies like it did before. Oh my, look at that. It's gonna be so much better. I completely forgot to film any of the install, but there they are. They're in there. Bit of a pain in the ass. This is the old rusty shit stuff. And the old shocks that you can compress with your hand. Oh, they return slightly. Absolute garbage.
Hold on.
Jesus.